Hey there. So we have about, yes, okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. So we have about 22 indices today in 17 countries. All right. So 22 indices, 17 countries. So this is how huge this is. So let's start right away. Before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and ring the notification bell for all content so that when we come up with new videos about stock market, how to make money generally, insurance and Bitcoin trading, etc., you'll be notified immediately. So without further ado, let's start with all ordinaries of Australia. It's now at 6385, increasing from 631 last October 9. So this is where it was before. It's now up 72.5 points, or about 1.15 points. You can see that the Bollinger Bands is widening, so this is a breakout, a bullish breakout, although it briefly touched the upper band of the Bollinger with a red candle last Thursday, but it continues with a green candle last Friday. If you will look at the MACD, the last crossover happened last October 2 and it's been going up since then. We have a confirmed bullish MACD. RSI is at 62, so it's still not overbought. We have also confirmed bullishness in the ADX 35 to 18. Buyers outnumbering the sellers, and the trend line is confirmed. So we have a bullish trend coming up here with all the ordinaries. So moving average wise, we have the price above the medium term, above the short term, above the long term. So this is a confirmed bullish move by the all ordinaries, or AORD by Australia. Alright, the next index is S&P ASX 200. This is also from Australia. It's now at 6176.80, up from 6102 last October 9, which is about 74.6 points up and 1.22% increase. So if you will look at the Bollinger Band, just like in all ordinaries, it has widened, so it's a price breakout and it's a bullish breakout. Although last Wednesday there was a green candle, it did not pierce the upper band of the Bollinger. It remained within, and then there's a green candle, and then there's another red candle. So I think it's trying to figure out which way it will go. So if this continues like this and there's no further upside, then it will begin to correct next week. So we have the moving average, we have the 200-day, the 75-day above the 200-day. The 50-day though is still within, still below the 200-day average. So this is just an early upstart of a bullish run. We have also 61 in RSI, so that means, or 61 in RSI, so this means that it's still not overbought. Bullish MACD, the last crossover happened in October 2, just like with all ordinaries. AEDX, we have 37 versus 17, the buyers outnumbering the sellers, and the trend line is very strong at 26 points. So this is a confirmed bullishness happening in ASX 200. Alright, so next up is Stoxx 50. Stoxx 50 is at 3,245.47. It's up 1.65%, or 52.78 points last Friday after the long red candle of Thursday. So it started to go down from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but still it finished the week 27.65 points down, or 0.84%. The 75-day average is above the 200-day average, so intermediate term is still bullish, but short term is now bearish. If we look at the ADX, 29 to 19, so the sellers outnumber the buyers, but the trend line is not that strong. So we are in a ranging phase. It's neutral with RSI at 50, and MACD is bullish in the long term with the crossover happening October 5, but it has not gone up for confirmed bullishness above the zero line of the MACD. Alright, so here we are with EuroNext 100, another index of Europe. So we are now at 991.05. It was up 1.76% last Friday, or 17.11. It's still down 0.25% though, week on week. It was down from 993 last Friday. So that's about 2.47%. If you will look at the chart here, we are still in a breakout though, because of this long drawn red candle which happened last September 21. Although it's still unclear, the direction is still unclear. We have the RSI at 55, still neutral. If you look at the MACD, it's bullish with the crossover happening last October 2, though if you look at the ADX, it's still bearish at 33 versus 30. So that's how the sellers outnumber the buyers. However, their trend line is weak at 15. So we're still unsure about the direction of the EuroNext 100. Alright, so welcome to the last index for this video. This will be part 1 of 4 videos. Sorry, there's a lot of them. So we have CAC 40, or the index of France, closing at 4,935.86. It's 10.95 points down, or 0.22% down last week, as it went from 4946.81 last Friday to 4935.86 the end of the week. It's up though 2.03% last Friday. If you look at RSI, it's still at 52, so that means it's still neutral. MACD is bullish in the long trend, but it's not yet confirmed bullish. It's not gone up to positive range yet. So we have ADX, the buyers 35.31 outnumber the sellers 30.54, but the trend line is weak. So we still have a weak trend in France, so there's nothing much going on here. We're still waiting for the price consolidation. If you look at the moving average, we have the 200-day average above the 75, above the 50. So it's still really bearish in the long trend if you look at the moving average. So still unsure here. So we move to the next set of indices. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and ring the notification bell for all content, so you'll be notified for all our videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.